Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try green shirt with grey pants and white sneakers. Next you can try beige oversized polo t-shirt with brown pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white and blue pattern shirt with blue jeans and tan Chelsea boots. Next you can try purple polo t-shirt with grey shorts and white sneakers. Next you can try white oversized polo t-shirt with brown pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with white pants. Next you can try tan t-shirt with grey pants and grey and black sneakers. Next you can try tan polo t-shirt with blue checks pant and tan Chelsea boots. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with white pants and grey sandals. Next you can try black oversized t-shirt with black cargo pants and black and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 oversized t-shirt outfit ideas.